Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Kent 400 watt hand blender. On the front of the box, we have an image of the blender itself. Above that, we have a few of its salient features, which include variable speed control, detachable shaft, low noise operation, and easy to clean and store. Up here, we can also see that it is a high power stainless steel blender. On the right hand side of the box, we have some information like its power rating, which is 220 to 240 volts AC at 50 hertz. And we have some manufacturing information right here. And below that, we have the customer care information. We can also see an ISI tag on the side. The other side has a brief about the blender itself, and here we have a few instructions on how the blender can be used. The back of the box is pretty much the same as the front, except that it has a different picture of the blender as compared to the front. There's just some Kent branding on the top. There is nothing on the bottom, and that's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. On the inside, we get a warranty card. This helps you register for the warranty, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Coming to the blender itself, we can clearly see that it has a silver and black color theme going for it. The silver is obviously stainless steel and has a very nice brushed metal kind of finish to it. Up here we have the Kent branding. On top of that, around the handle area, we have the power button on top and the turbo button underneath that. Right on top, we have the regulator to set the motor's speed. The blender is also detachable, and the shaft, which is this part right here, can be detached from the blender motor unit by twisting it. You put it back, just twist it back into place, and that is locked in place rather nicely. Coming to the cable, we can see that it is a flat type of cable, so hopefully that should keep the tangles away. In terms of length, it's approximately 110 centimeters long, and when it comes to the plug point, it is a standard 2-pin Indian plug. Here we can see the power rating that we have already gone through on the box, and the ISI logo makes an appearance once again. On the underside, we can see the blade, and it is very important to detach the shaft while cleaning the blade section. So, this was the unboxing of the Kent 400 watt hand blender. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.